Hi, this is a short tutorial on how to fill out your Euclid contest booklet to write the Euclid contest and the student information form. Here we see that it is barcoded, and every barcode will be matching with a specific code. And so when you get this, you're just going to write down your name. You're going to put a letter in each of the boxes, your first name and then your last name. And here's the school number that's already pre-filled. You're going to fill in the rest of that, and you'll find on your answer form or your student information form, you'll see here that the first few values are the same as the school code. The ones in the box are the ones that you're going to write in here in this field here. Okay? If you'd like to get some other information from them, you can put your email address. You do want to put your school, your town, and of course the country. So when you're doing your contest, you're going to be filling out and putting in the answers in here. There's a declaration here that you need to read, and that just kind of says that everything is that you agree with their conditions, etc., so that you can be considered as an official participant. What you're going to find here is you're going to have a box and then some space to do your work. So it's important that you put your answer in the box, whichever question it is, and do any pertinent work in here. In case you get the answer wrong, they will award some part marks. Okay, so you can do that along here, and then here for part C is just a solution, so you're going to put all the values in, or all your work in that field there. Okay, same thing goes for the rest of these: answer in the box and solution in the spaces. Okay, now on to the student information form. You're going to be putting some other, you're going to be putting on some information here. So I was in attendance at an elementary school or secondary school, blah blah blah, over this past year. You would fill in this, yes. Write your grade in this rectangle here, and then fill in the appropriate circle beside it, and then select if you're female, male, or another gender identity. For your birth date, write the year of your birth at this point, so 05, 06, 07, whatever it may be, and then fill in the appropriate circles there. Fill in the month, and then the day. Write the day in here. If it's like the 12th or whatever, you put the 12th and then fill in 1 and 2 on those circles. Okay? All this stuff down the side here is for markers purpose only, so you don't have to do anything there. And then the last little bit here is in every one of these squares or rectangles here, you're going to write the letters of your surname, and then your first name, and then down below for every letter that you write in this box. So this letter you're going to fill in. So suppose I am Smith. I'm going to fill in the S under the S. I'm going to fill in the M under the M, I under I, etc. So you want to make sure that this all gets filled out appropriately. H goes here. Okay, and then there's no other name here, so then we'll just put Frank, etc. And then you should just fill in the appropriate bubbles for each of those letters. Okay, and that is basically it. Make sure that when you come to the contest, you come early. Make sure you bring a non-programmable scientific calculator that cannot communicate with other calculators and cannot access the internet. Bring pencils and eraser, perhaps a ruler if you want, but pencils, eraser, and calculator are crucial. Okay, and that is the tutorial. We'll see you in a couple days.